So hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. You go to our channel for better job opportunities and career tips. So are you someone who is looking for a data analyst or a business analyst role or business intelligence role? Then this opportunity is for you because NTT Data is hiring for the role of data or business intelligence analyst. And if you are someone with the skill sets in SQL, Excel, data visualizations or analytics, then this could be a great opportunity for you. So watch this video till the end and I will be sharing the complete details on how to apply. So let's first have the overview about the role. So this role is basically in this role you will be working into business intelligence analyst where you will basically responsibility will circulate around converting the raw data into the meaningful insights. You will also be working on data analytics and creating visualizations, insights, charts, pie charts, whatever it is, and data modeling to help the business and the stakeholders to take better decisions. Because the insights helps to build a better, decision. So that is how your responsibilities or the this role circulates around. And now let me come to the very important thing, which is key responsibilities. So once you join this company as a data or business intelligence analyst, your roles and responsibilities will be something like analyzing complex business data, creating dashboards and reports, maybe with the help of Tableau or Power BI or some other tools, like QuickSight or Alteryx. There are multiple business intelligence tools as well, and you will also be working with the stakeholders to understand the business needs plus generating insights and recommendation systems. You'll also work with multiple data source including the cloud, internal systems, and etc. Plus you will be involved into designing and maintaining business intelligence reports. So basically as what we understood, the responsibilities is something like just taking the data and trying to take out the very very useful and meaningful insights from that and converting it into the kind of insights which will provide a meaningful result, and that might help you and the stakeholder taking many important decisions for the company, like how we are going to progress and what are the basically SWOT analysis, the analyzing and doing analysis on the strength, weakness, what are the threat areas, and what are the opportunities that you can find out from the insights. So this I just don't want to make it longer, and let me just tell you how you can apply for this role. So first of all, I will tell you the minimum skills that is required. So for that, you must have the knowledge of SQL at least medium level, plus experience with Excel and reporting is preferred. Along with that, I have also mentioned the visualization skills like Tableau, Power BI, etc. So if you have this knowledge, you will be given preferences, and the chances of getting selected will increase a lot. Along with that, they have also mentioned the very important thing is that problem solving skill, the analytical thinking skill, which is very important into data analytics and business intelligence roles. Plus, they have mentioned the very other very important thing, which is good communication skills, and definitely it is required because you have to communicate with the stakeholders. That might be the internal, external stakeholders as well. So this is all about the kind of skill sets they are expecting you to have. And now let me discuss the eligibility criteria. So for being eligible for this particular opportunity, you must have a bachelor degree in computer science, mathematics, business analytics, data science, or any related engineering related domain. Plus, yeah, this is all the basic about that. And I already discussed the role. Now this is based out of Bangalore location, which you might not see on your screen because it's hidden. You can just click over the see all option, then you will get to know. And yeah, before concluding, I want to explain a little bit about the company NTT Data. So NTT Data is, as we all know, that it's a global leader in technology and business solutions, and they serve top companies worldwide. And also, they are known for the innovation, strong analytics capabilities, and working on a large-scale data projects. So yeah, this is all about the basic intro about the NTT Data. Now, if you are preparing for data analysis or business intelligence roles, this is a great opportunity to apply. Make sure to apply as soon as possible because this kind of job ends anytime soon because this is a highly competitive role. And also, if you want daily job updates on SQL, especially to data, business analytics, or software engineering, then do comment for onwards, because it will make the video reach to more and more people. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, do subscribe to our channel right now, because we are sharing very important hirings, mostly for freshers, every day. And yes, that's it. If you have also liked this video and share this with your friends who are actually looking for a role into data and business analyst analytics. Yes, that's it for this wonderful opportunity. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.